I don't know if you saw a few days ago, a guy called Paul Ehrlich died, and he's well known for writing a book called The Population Bomb. He's one of the most horrible humans that's ever existed. He literally advocated for sterilization. He
Yep.
said that having too many people is bad because it destroys the environment. Some of that mindset has honestly crept into the modern environmental movement where they try to put nature above humans, sometimes in like weirdly overtly religious tones, right? Like the whole
Mhm.
Saint Greta stuff that we've seen across the
Yep.
country and in other parts of the world. And so I really think that having a view that humans are actually the reason why we care about this in the first place. If you're a Christian, you think about it as we're all created in the image of God, and we're created as people in a garden that we have to cultivate, and we're asked to cultivate and steward that. And so it's not about exploiting the garden, like God doesn't want us to exploit the garden, but it's also not about worshiping the garden. Like you worship the creator, not the creation. And I think that mindset is critically important.